everybody, I'm back, and I have actually found the motivation to do my Christmas nails. Alright, so as you can see, I have a Christmas theme going on here. Airplane. So, as you can see, I've got my Christmas tree here. Thought I would do a little Christmassy background since I'm going to be doing Christmas nails. And I'm also going to be trying out for the first time this brand, Tammy Taylor. It is a glittery red acrylic. So, super pretty. Let's get started. Okay, so I've already done my prep work, so we're just going to get straight into the fun stuff. Let's get my forms on. Alright, so I'm going to dive right into this red sparkly, do my thumb, one whole red color. So I have to thank everybody again. As you can see, I'm doing much better, feeling better, could be better, but meh. Take what I can get right now. I'm very excited to do my Christmas nails, so that's keeping me happy right now. So, okay, first attempt at this red sparklies. Okay, I'm liking this acrylic so far. Pretty easy to control. Okay, now that's pretty. It's hard to see on camera, but it's red, but it's got a lot of pink in it. So, which obviously, I like pink. So yeah, the product was very easy to control. And as soon as this sets up a little more, I'm gonna pinch it. This pinching. I think I really like this acrylic. I may have to get some more. Tammy Taylor. First time, tried it, I like it. Ooh. Ooh. Can't wait to file that. Okay, this next one I think I'm just going to do like a plain white, so it's going to be sparkly red and white nails. So if you saw my last video, I finally introduced little Lexi to the world. Isn't she just the cutest? She's my one of the loves of my life. So I am very excited for Christmas. It's one of the nice things that are happening in life right now. I think I'm done with my Christmas shopping. I think I have one more person. Yes, one more person. I also learned during all this time where I had to stay home how to make homemade bread. I can't believe I know how to make homemade bread. The kitchen is not my forte. So when I made some homemade bread and it actually tasted good, and not just to me, other people really liked it, I'm like, okay, I think everyone's getting homemade bread for Christmas presents this year. I'm getting my nails back on. It's been a while. So strange how happy having nails makes me feel. I don't understand why. I feel like I need to explore that. It's weird because I didn't want to put them on for so long because I thought it would make me sad, because it would remind me of the situation. Let's just refer to it as the situation from now on. But it's making me feel better, I think. At least temporarily. We'll see how long it lasts. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make this one a little more fun and do a smile line on this one with some red and white. So I wanted to tell a Christmas story, some kind of fun Christmas story while I did my nails during this video. I realized I don't really know anyone that, like, you know, I realized I don't really know any that, you know, everyone doesn't know. So I can tell you a little bit about my first Christmas. When I grew up, we didn't celebrate Christmas. So my first Christmas wasn't until I was like 25 years old, around there, maybe a little younger. But yeah, I was like so excited to celebrate my first Christmas because only thing I knew of Christmas was what I had seen on TV. So I thought Christmas was like on TV. Turns out it's not. I mean, it can be. And it doesn't mean it's not still fun. I love Christmas. I love pretty much all the holidays and birthdays and all that stuff because I didn't do that growing up. So for me, the holidays are awesome. So I was living in an apartment with a girlfriend, and me and my husband had really like just gotten together. Like, we hadn't been together very long at all, maybe like months. And I was like, what are we doing for Christmas? What are we doing for Christmas? And everyone was just like, nothing, probably nothing. I'm like, nothing? I'm like, that's not Christmas. We have to, I thought you like got a tree and you decorated it and you made cookies and ornaments and you, yeah, right? That's Christmas, right? And they're like, oh, is that this girl? So I made my whole house at the time, which was my husband and my roommate and her boyfriend, do like a real Christmas, or what I thought was a real Christmas. We got a tree, we all sat around together and we decorated it and watched Christmas movies. Then we made ornaments and cookies, and they just thought it was the funniest thing that I wanted to do all these cheesy Christmas things. But I was like, no, we are doing it. And I'm glad, because it was fun. And now for Christmas, we've kind of, you know, made our own traditions. And it's awesome. I love it. I love Christmas. Okay, I'm going to attempt something here. I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, let's see if that works out after I file it. And I'm going to also attempt something on this other one that I've never done before. Some color blocking. Okay, this is hard. Trying to do candy cane. Ugh. This one might not work. Baba! This one's gonna take a while. Okay, hopefully that looks better when once it's filed. Whew, that was a hard one. Okay, this one, just do a whole glitter nail again. I am very impressed with this Tammy Taylor. I really like it. It's so easy to maneuver. You know, even a beginner could definitely use this. Okay, this hand is basically done. Just have to wait for this one to set up so I can pinch it. And we'll have to move on to the hard hand. I'll do more simple things on this side. Yes, I think this will look, I think it's going to turn out. I'm going to have to get used to wearing them again. I haven't worn them in so long. Lexi's always in the corner snoring while I'm doing these videos. Cannot wait to see what these look like. All done. It's a lot of work though. So much work. Especially a full set. But once this is done, all I have to do is fill the bow out. Oh my goodness, this hand is so hard. Ugh. Doing this hand, it always looks like crap compared to this one. Crap, 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 crap. Full glitter on this one. Hitting the fatigue. Hitting the point where I'm like, I want to be done. I'm going to do some marbling on this one since, you know, it's kind of a messy look anyway, so it won't matter too much if I mess it up. Okay. Marbling. Gonna do some marbling. This is the one I want to be an ombre. But I don't know if I want to ombre it to the glitter, because I have quite a bit of glitter here. I'm going to have glitter there. Or white, but then that's just like a normal ombre. And it's going to be a little different. Do all three colors, maybe? Could that work? Could that work? I cannot wait to file these, see how they look. Just realized I didn't put my lashes on. One more to go. Oh my goodness. Last one. Okay, on to the easier part where we are going to file. It's easier to talk while I'm filing as well. Oh yes. Christmas nails. Christmas nails on. Okay, so what is everyone's favorite part of Christmas? Besides the nails, of course. I think I really like the lights. I love all the decorations. The tree. As you can see, we got a new tree this year. Pink, of course. Before we just had one of those little tiny, like, sad little Charlie Brown trees. And I was like, you know what, with everything going on this year, I'm getting a bigger tree for us. We deserve it. And then when I saw it came in pink, well. Okay, some hand filing now. This is where we get a little better look at the shape. Oh, my hand's starting to cramp already. I'm not even halfway through with the filing. This is almost over yet. Alright, a little closer. Alright, last bit of hand filing. Oh, I'm exhausted. Oh my god, can you believe it? Can you believe it? Am I done? Kind of, almost. Just have to clean them and gel coat them. Yeah, that's kind of how I need to work on my straight lines. They're not good. But it's okay. They can be swirly lines. Swirly lines. Ooh, ooh, sparkly. Gonna look awesome with the top coat on. Oh, so beautiful. When you get the top coat on, it's like bam. That's how it's supposed to look. This is so Christmas. That's so Christmas to me. Oh, gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. I am happy. Okay. Last cure. You guys, I had pizza last night and it like tore up the roof of my mouth and it hurts. Why does it do that? Is it the salt? It's just like the roof of my mouth is just like, I can taste like the irony, like the blood. It's like on my tongue. It's on my tongue too. But my nails look pretty. Oh my gosh, I think I'm done. Oh wait, one more thing. Cuticle oil. I can't forget that because it feels so good at the end. Okay guys, I have my Christmas nails on. I did it this time. Yay me. And as far as my review for the Tammy Taylor, oh my god, I don't know what color this is. It doesn't have a color. Not even like a number. Oh no. The red, the glittery red, Tammy Taylor. This stuff, I love it. I am so glad I stole this from the salon. I love the color, I love the formula, I love how workable it is. It looks gorgeous, the glitter. I really feel like this camera does not give justice. Get some. Alright guys, thank you so much for spending this big chunk of time with me. It takes a long time to do a full set with designs, so thank you for keeping me entertained and someone to talk to while I do it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know, and make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!